Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Karen, and we are the founders of the Real Olive Company. We're award-winning producers of fresh and organic olives and antipasti for the UK retail and wholesale markets.
Our family-owned business began here in Bristol in 1998, when Karen and I set out to bring real Mediterranean foods to the UK. To find the best, most sustainable products, we travelled throughout the Mediterranean, building up a network of growers and producers.
More than 20 years on, consumer attitudes have shifted radically. There's a growing demand for healthier, organic, plant-based natural foods and a climate crisis that demands a more sustainable approach to food production and farming. The Real Olive Company produces food that promotes good health and sustainability. Studies show the Mediterranean diet can bring health and environmental benefits, as traditional olive farming methods use low levels of water and energy, whilst also promoting biodiversity.
From grove to table, every step we take retains each olive's natural goodness. After being hand-picked, we prepare, marinate and pack our olives with cold-pressed oils, so you can enjoy the freshest, most authentic olives, bursting with Mediterranean sunshine. We're accredited by organic farmers and growers and donate 1% of our profits to the Sustainable Soils Alliance.
I'm the co-founder of Green and Black's Chocolate, Whole Earth Foods, Carbon Gold, and Gusto Organic. I invested into the Real Olive Company because I love their products, and I'm confident all food will be organic in the future.
The reason I love the Real Olive Company is because they're genuinely committed to being a good, sustainable business, and they've been doing this long before it just became trendy to talk about your green credentials. The other reason is they produce delicious Mediterranean food. They've actually won 4 Great Taste Awards, and they were in the top 10 finalists of the Boom Awards this year, which was the nation's favourite organic food and drink product. So they really are a brand that I support.
I have over 12 years' experience in branded FMCG businesses and was attracted to the Real Olive Company by its purpose, people and products. Now that consumers are increasingly demanding sustainable and organic food, we believe this is the right time for us to take a significant share of the market. The UK retail chilled olive and antipasti category is in double-digit growth. In total, organic retail grew by 12% in 2020, with chilled organic growing at over 22%. These favourable market conditions and our status as the leading independent brand in chilled olive and antipasti present a unique opportunity for growth. I am confident our plans to grow the business will deliver success, not just across the UK, but also internationally.
I was working as a manufacturing consultant to small food businesses when I first met Ben and Karen a long time ago. I recognised straight away that there was an opportunity to combine the practical skills I'd learned over a lifetime of working in the food industry with Ben and Karen's vision for the Real Olive brand, and so I invested there and then.
Following our rebrand in 2020, we've developed a range of beautiful visual content on our website and social media accounts, like recipes, videos and blogs. We have over 28,000 customers registered on our mailing list and expect this to rise significantly following our current on-pack promotion to win a pizza oven. As well as selling through wholesalers and direct-to-consumer via our website, our retail listings include Waitrose, Sainsbury's, Ocado, Whole Foods and Planet Organic.
I believe the key elements to a successful business are a clear value proposition, excellent product, passionate team and a growing market. For me, it was clear that the Real Olive Company ticked all these boxes.
The funds raised will allow us to grow our team and develop new, exciting products. We're looking to connect more people to the Real Olive Company with a big push on sales and marketing. This will help us to secure new retail and food service listings across the UK and to expand internationally.
Join us as an investor
And help us to make life taste better by connecting more people to the natural vitality of real foods.